Please stay tuned for the entire video as I demonstrate Jamaican oven roast snapper fish for
Oh,
you.
hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen.
All right, family and friends, thank you so much for joining me. Remember to leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from. And if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for making this one of your viewing choice. To already wash and clean snapper, I cut some diagonal lines. Then I add a blend of seasoning inside and out. Then I allow it to marinate for about an hour or so. Now, family and friends, my mixed blend of season is some paprika, some garlic salt, some black pepper, some dry herbs and spices. Mix them all together with a pinch of salt and season well. Now I'm going to encourage you to stay with me for the entire video as I hold our vibes in the kitchen. The other ingredients that I'm using is some okra, I have some garlic, I have some onion, I have bell pepper, I have some carrots, I have some thyme and some scallion. I'm gonna lay my fish on a foil, guys, and then I'm gonna add to that some onion rings. I'm gonna add my stuffing of chopped vegetables in the fish, add some garlic on top of that, and then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter just to coat it, to add moisture to my fish and to keep it nice, soft, juicy, and succulent. Next, family and friends, I am going to wrap my foil. I'm gonna double wrap this because I want all the juices to stay inside the foil, and then I put it in the oven and bake for about 20 minutes. Now, family and friends, if only you could smell all of this goodness going on. I invite you to hit the like button, comment, guys, tell me where you're watching from. Of course, remember to turn on your post notification so you will get videos as soon as I upload them. Next, family and friends, I open the foil, I increase my temperature to broil, and then I allow it to stay in the oven for an additional 3 minutes. Now, family and friends, it's time for the spiritual nugget. God has called us to be stewards of each other. He has asked us to have compassion so we can point others to Him. Now, family and friends, after 3 minutes, it is all roasted. Smell good, look good, and can't wait to dig in. It's once again another of my mother's favorite. From my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Now, family and friends, just look at all of this goodness. I did some broiled vegetables to go with this. And family and friends, if only you could taste all of this goodness. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me. And I'll see you next week where I have for you another authentic Jamaican meal or another meal done Jamaican style. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe. And I'll see you next week with another lovely, delicious, delectable Jamaican meal. See you next week.